a detailed comparison of Klaviyo versus Mailchimp, covering strengths, weaknesses, use cases, pricing, deliverability, support, and which might suit your business base. Overview and positioning. Mailchimp is a long-standing, broadly used email marketing and marketing automation platform with a wide appeal across small businesses, content creators, non-profits, and e-commerce businesses. Klaviyo is more niche and specialized. It positions itself as an advanced data-driven marketing, automation, and email (SMS) platform built especially for e-commerce brands that want to leverage customer behavior, purchase history, and dynamic personalization. In short, Mailchimp is more of a generalist tool with many marketing features beyond just email, while Klaviyo is more of a specialist for e-commerce and performance marketing. Comparison by key dimensions. Below is a side-by-side look at how they compare in important areas. Klaviyo, Mailchimp ease of setup and learning curve. More complex initially because Klaviyo is data-rich, integrating with your store, mapping data, configuring events, and building customized flows requires some setup effort. Strengths and weaknesses. A closer look. Klaviyo strengths: deep e-commerce and behavioral data. Because Klaviyo connects deeply with your store's data, orders, products, browsing, events, it can trigger emails on user actions and personalize content powerfully. Strong revenue attribution. You can clearly see which flows emails generated how much revenue, making ROI tracking more direct. Unlimited advanced segmentation. No artificial ceiling on how complex your segments can be. Full features across tiers. Many of the advanced capabilities, flows, segmentation are baked into all plans rather than gated features. SMS plus email in one place. This unified channel handling is useful for omnichannel campaigns. Klaviyo weaknesses, challenges. Higher cost at scale. As your contact list grows, the monthly fee can become substantial. Learning curve and complexity for beginners or non-technical users. Figuring out flows, data models, and segmentation may require time. Less inbuilt marketing extras. While focused on email, SMS, and automation, Klaviyo is not a full marketing suite. It lacks website building, ad tools, etc. in the way Mailchimp does. Support limits for free users. On lower tiers, support might be constrained. Mailchimp strengths: easy to use, gentler learning curve for basic campaigns, newsletters, simple automation. Many users can get up and running quickly. All-in-one marketing features. It includes landing pages, site builder, forms, ad campaigns, social post scheduling, etc., making it useful as a one-stop tool. Flexible pricing structure and lower entry cost for small lists. Simple needs. Mailchimp can be more budget-friendly. Broad adoption and integrations. Because it's been around a long time, many tools integrate with Mailchimp and many marketers are already familiar with it. Mailchimp weaknesses, limitations. Less depth in behavior-driven automation. Some flows or triggers are harder or impossible, without extra work, especially for e-commerce behavior. Segmentation limits in lower plans the condition. Limits in segmentation can restrict your targeting. Duplicate audience costs if you maintain multiple audiences. Lists the same contact might count multiple times for billing. Advanced features low. Advanced features locked behind premium tiers. Some features are gated, so you may have to upgrade to access them. When to choose one versus the other, here are scenarios to guide. Selection. You run an e-commerce store, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc., and want to maximize revenue from email flows. ABANDO and ED cart, replenishment, cross-sell. You want deep personalization. Gives Klaviyo is likely the better fit. You run a small business, blog, nonprofit, or cross-industry business and need email. Landing pages plus ads plus forms, all in one tool with low complexity. Gives Mailchimp may suit you better. You anticipate scaling fast in email sophistication and data usage. Gives Klaviyo may be more future-proof. Your list is small, budget is tight, and your needs are modest. Newsletters, basic automations. Gives Mailchimp may be more cost-efficient initially. You want to test both. Both platforms have free or entry level plans. You might try sending a campaign or basic flow on both and compare usability, raw attribution, and how well the data integration works. Example, hypothetical comparison. Let me illustrate with a simplified example. Suppose you have an online store with 5,000 users and want to send 1. A welcome email series, 3 emails, 2. An abandoned cart email. When someone adds a product but doesn't complete checkout. 3. A re-engagement campaign to users who haven't purchased in 60 days. 4. A cross-sell email showing recommended products based on past purchases. With Klaviyo, you could use event data to trigger the abandoned cart flow automatically, pulling in the exact product as the user left behind. Dynamically generate recommended products in the email based on similar users or purchase history. Use real-time segments, for example, users with no purchase in 60 days but open greater than 2 emails in last 30 days to filter re-engagement. At the end, you would see which flow, for example, abandoned cart, resulted in how much revenue dollars over time. With Mailchimp, you might build an automation path journey with a trigger, cart abandonment, but possibly with more static rules, for example, if cart X value rather than deeply dynamic product level logic. Use merge tags and basic conditional content, but limited in showing live product recommendations. For re-engagement, you'd segment based on open, click, or purchase recency, but with fewer behavioral options, summary, and recommendation. Mailchimp is great if you want ease of use, flexibility, multiple marketing features in one place, email, landing pages, forms, ads, and a lower barrier to entry. Klaviyo is better when your priority is driving revenue from email using behavioral data and personalization and scaling advanced automation, especially for e-commerce.